Hello, welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you a simple text effect using Gimp. First, create new canvas. Make it 1920 by 1080. Click OK. Then open file. You are free to use whatever photos that you want. Use flower or something. Feel free to explore. Now go to colors. Open the curve adjustment. I want the texture to be more dark so that when we combine the lizard will stand out. Select the texture layer and copy and paste it to our canvas. Now grab the lizard and paste it to our canvas. Resize the lizard. Grab the alignment tool and put it in the center of our canvas. Now get the fuzzy tool, click the black color and hit the delete key. Now go to select, then grow, make it 2 pixels to make our selection smoother. Select the lizard layer, make a mask. Grab the brush tool, delete the sharp edges of the lizard so that the transition between the texture and the lizard are more smoother. Now grab the text tool. I use hands-on font, about 250 pixels is fine, and make it white. Let's adjust the size of the font. And position it like this. Duplicate the text and put it behind the lizard layer. Make a mask, make it white. Grab the brush tool. Make sure that the foreground is black. Get the text tool again and let's type the subtitle. Align the subtitle to our title. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you in the next tutorial.